Hi, my name is Tommy Ray, and this is my contemporary organizational leadership model. Today, I will talk to you about how to lead a successful company and the right conceptual models that you will need in order to take action to lead a successful business and/or company. So here I have kind of just sort of an outline um, on kind of what I'm going to be talking about. So first, I'll have my purpose, and then I'll lead into my vision, my mission, my shared values, and then ultimately I'll talk about my strategy. So the first conceptual model I will talk about is purpose. Without purpose, there is no vision or mission. Purpose is what gives us the drive and passion in order to accomplish what we want. Our purpose leads us into both our vision and our mission. Vision is our focus. In the week 4 lecture, Dr. Winton tells us, vision is about directing the ship. It is our ultimate goal. Our vision is what we see and what we are planning to accomplish. Without vision, there can be no mission. In chapter 5, it talks to us about to develop an appealing vision, and that it is essential to have a good understanding of the organization. I believe it is important to have a good understanding of the organization so that it kind of tells you what you're trying to do as a whole, and it is kind of showing you the organization's purpose and vision and mission kind of all in one. So the mission and what we are trying to accomplish is both very similar to our purpose and vision. The mission is what we are trying to do in the end. This is our ultimate plan or goal. The mission is our purpose and our direction. A lot of organizations today actually have mission statements that are basically explaining to the audience kind of on what they are wanting to do with their company or what they're trying to get out of their product, and kind of how they're trying to be successful, and what they're ultimately what they're trying to accomplish. If you want to be a successful leader and want to have a successful company or organization, it is very beneficial to have a purpose, vision, and mission. By having a purpose, vision, mission, you also need to have shared values, which I'll talk about here. Shared values. So shared values tell us what the company believes, the concepts on how they are going to get there, and kind of the principles that are within the organization. In chapter 12, the book tells us that cultural values can enhance performance of an organization if they are consistent with the types of processes needed to accomplish this kind of within the mission. Also, it tells us that shared values such as flexibility, creativity, and entrepreneurial initiative can facilitate innovation and organizational learning. Shared values, to me, I think, are so important to a company because it allows you to get creative within your company so that your company stands out from others. I think it's very important to find a way to kind of stand out and just kind of be uncommon in a way. By being creative and standing out in a different way, it kind of allows your company to be recognized, and therefore you are making an impression on the audience, and that could kind of, in the end, make your company more attractive, and the more attractive your company is, I think the more people kind of want to see your company or maybe be a part of it. And then finally, I think it's important to have just good integrity and hard workers within your company so that, like I said, they make a good impression on your business and that people will easily remember your company or your business for standing out in a unique way, I should say. By having shared values, it allows your company to come up with a strategy. So to me, the strategy is the ultimate end goal on what you are trying to kind of take action and what you are trying to do. This is kind of the final game plan. The strategy may require people to make consistent changes, work roles, organization structures, and technology. The strategy is never easy, however, but if this is handled properly, then the strategy will work out, and the company will kind of thrive in a way. I appreciate taking your time and listening to this conceptual model, and I hope this kind of helped you understand or how to lead kind of a successful business or company. Thank you.